and the question was, where do I start? You start with a conversation, a simple conversation with the professional that's going to give you the money to buy that house, and then the road goes from there. But that's where you start. Is you go there.
Yes.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is where you need to do what you need to do to begin the journey to purchase a house. Now, I'm going to build on it just a minute, and then I'm going to you. There are people out there also that have the question, okay, well, that's where I want to start, but I'm worried about my credit score, worried about getting this fixed up. Those same pros are able to even help you in those areas. But listen to me. All it costs you is a conversation.
Yeah.
And a lot of times it may be even a conversation over a cup of coffee, over the phone. It ain't you got to go down and give your firstborn's right leg to be able to have this conversation. Just have the conversation.
Yep.
That gets the whole ball rolling for you in the whole thing. What do you got to say?
Tim Ooten says, I just got my real estate license.
That's a good thing,
That's a
man.
great thing. Yeah.
Go with it.
Yep.
Go with it.